Greetings everyone. This is Sanskan Nagaij, a legal intern in Lexis and Company, and today I am here to discuss about the legality of the prostitution in India. The Supreme Court of India recently upheld sex work as a profession and issued a slew of direction to uphold the dignity of sex worker. This order was not only historic but also necessary because India is no stranger to sex work. It is a historically prevalent profession, albeit under unsafe condition. Over the course of the years, many have debated, and there has been heated debate whether the profession should be legally sanctified or not. To begin with, it must be realized that prostitution itself is not illegal in India. The act that facilitate it are under the Immoral Trafficking Prevention Act 1956. These acts may include running a brothel house, living on the earning of prostitution of any other person, pimping, carrying out sex work in or in the vicinity of public places. Questions of morality, autonomy over one's body, dignity, decency, unemployment, poverty, and desperation have been raised many a times. One side believed that sex work should be given legal sanctity so that there could be a code of conduct for safe working condition, fair payment, and recognition of dignity on the ground of its inevitability. The other side believes that the government must take a strong stand against this type of work as it shames the dignity, deplores the mental state, and resort a person to use their body as a means of commercial gain in dangerous condition, where the disease like STI, cervical cancer, AIDS are rampant. People engaged in such work are also so susceptible to physical, emotional, and mental trauma, which not only affect them but also affect their succeeding generations. In the past, there has been judgment. In 2011, Buddha Dev Karmaskar versus State of Bengal led the Supreme Court to hold that sex workers have a dignity under Article 21 of the Constitution, which ensures the right to life and livelihood. In 2019, the Calcutta High Court stated that under ITPA Act, no sex worker exploited for commercial sex can be tried as an accused unless there is substantial evidence that she was a co-conspirator in the crime. In September 2020, the Bombay High Court ordered the immediate release of 3 women sex workers jailed at a state correctional institution, stating that sex work was not a criminal offense under the law and that an adult woman has a right to choose her profession. Thank you.